Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create how I would look like in the 1930s trend video on TikTok. So if you want to become a part of this trending topic here, how I would look like in the 1930s, then let me show you how to create this. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store and your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that is downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for the following, how I would look like in 1930s. So once you type it in, go ahead and tap on search. In the search results, you're looking for all those videos that are doing the trend. So all of these are doing the trend here. So to create that video, go ahead and tap on those videos. Now within those videos, you're looking for this button here, CapCut, try this template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on that button there, CapCut, try this template. Now once you tap on that, you'll get this template here. Go ahead and tap on use template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut and will show you the template. Go ahead and tap on use template. Now here you want to go ahead and select a photo of yourself and then tap on next. Now this will basically create the video for you and it'll show you how you would look like in the 1930s. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on export here at the top right, then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Since this is a template, the sound has been included in this template. So you just need to add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create how I would look like in the 1930s trend video on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.